Hey there, wondering how to keep your mattress spotless? Learning how to treat stains on a Tempur-Pedic mattress is essential for maintaining its comfort and prolonging its lifespan. Tempur-Pedic mattresses are renowned for their incredible support and pressure relief, but particularly with these luxurious beds, stains can be a bit tricky to handle. In this guide, we'll walk you through effective methods to treat stains on your Tempur-Pedic mattress, ensuring it remains clean and inviting for years to come. Step 1. Immediate action. As soon as you notice a stain, it's crucial to act quickly. Blot the affected area with a clean, dry cloth or paper towel to absorb as much liquid as possible. Avoid rubbing the stain as this can push it deeper into the mattress fibers. Step 2. Prepare a cleaning solution. Create a gentle cleaning solution by mixing a few drops of mild dish soap with lukewarm water in a spray bottle. Tempur-Pedic mattresses have delicate materials that can be easily damaged by harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia, so a mild soap will help avoid any adverse reactions. Lightly spray the solution onto a clean cloth or sponge, not directly onto the mattress, and gently dab the stained area. Step 3. Rinse and blot. Once you've treated the stain with a soapy solution, it's time to rinse. Dampen another clean cloth with plain water and gently blot the area to remove any soap residue. Thoroughly rinsing is crucial to prevent lingering soap, which can lead to unpleasant odors or residue over time. Step 4. Dry the mattress. Properly drying is essential to prevent mold or mildew. Use a clean, dry towel to blot the area again and remove moisture. If possible, place the mattress in a well-ventilated spot or use a fan to speed up the drying process. Avoid using high heat such as a hairdryer as it can damage the mattress material. Step 5. Address remaining odors. If odors persist, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda over the affected area and let it sit for several hours before vacuuming it up. Baking soda is a natural odor neutralizer and can help keep your mattress smelling fresh. Additional tips for keeping your Tempur-Pedic mattress stain-free. Use a mattress protector. Invest in a high-quality, waterproof mattress cover to safeguard against spills and stains. Avoid eating in bed. Limiting food and drinks in bed reduces the likelihood of accidental spills. Regular cleaning. Vacuum your mattress regularly to remove dust and allergens, promoting a clean sleeping environment. Learning how to treat stains on a Tempur-Pedic mattress will ensure it remains in pristine condition. By acting quickly and using gentle cleaning methods, you can effectively treat stains without damaging your mattress's materials. Additionally, incorporating preventive measures like using a mattress protector and maintaining regular cleaning routines will help prolong the life of your investment. Follow these steps and your mattress will stay as comfortable and inviting as the day you got it. Enjoy your clean and cozy sleep sanctuary.